excited for this to see how it's going to ride. Love the launch track coming out the tunnel here. Here we go. Woo! Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh! Wow! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Oh, it's forceful and it's fast. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, this is intense. Wow! Really intense. Woo! Back through the station. Oh, God, mega forceful that. Woo! Love actually all the trees out here as well. That really makes it